The Self Credit Builder app works where you guys can have all of your information there in terms of your credit builder account, and then you can actually pay your bills. So they can start reporting your bills, payments, and your rent payments right through the Self app. But that's how it works. You can go right in there, set up all of that through the app. You can download it. They have it with Google. They have it with the Google Store, the Google Play Store, and also the Apple App Store. So you guys can go ahead and sign up for it there. Now, I do have it here, you guys, just in case you guys want to see more about it. So they're going to report to the credit bureaus. Like, you could pay your rent. So I like that, rent in your bill. So that's good. And you can unlock your secure credit card there. You could track your credit score. It's not going to be a hard pull. So this can all be done through the app. I didn't do the app. I just got like right on their website and just used like just their, like, I just did their regular website. I didn't do the app, but you definitely can go ahead and download the app. It looks like it's already 1 million plus downloads. So definitely check out the Self app. The Self app. I can't even talk, you guys. I think I'm talking too much. Oh my gosh, you can definitely check out the Self app though, you guys. But